Bien, our goal for today is to learn our greetings. So this will be in our tips section. Actually, let me go back. If you go to Duolingo on phrases, now you actually have to have passed the intro for you to go to this next one. So if you have not done your intro yet, which was assigned a couple of weeks ago, so it should be done, you should be able to go to phrases. So we're going to go to phrases. We're going to click tips. And I like tips because it gives you a little bit of extra information about the lesson for that day. And so we're in this lesson we're going to talk about greetings. And so many Spanish greetings depends on the time of the day, and that actually works for English as well. And so here's one we always sing together. It's Buenos Dias. Escuchamos.
Buenos días.
Muy bien. Good morning. And it's very polite. Now, the reason we go over greetings is very polite when you see somebody to greet them. Give them a warm greeting like, Hola, buenos días, ¿cómo estás? It's so important um, to come off as friendly and welcoming to give someone a greeting. Awesome. All right. So, of course, if you didn't know the translation,
Buenos días.
good morning, and then it's underneath it as well. So that's how Duolingo works. It helps you learn. Okay. Now, Buenos Dias is only used in the morning. So in the afternoon, this is our phrase for the afternoon. Escuchamos.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Buenas tardes.
Good afternoon. Awesome. And the last one, it can be good evening and good night. Of course, you were saying good evening is a greeting, but good night is like an adios. We talked about that in class. Yeah.
Buenas noches.
Good evening, good night.
Buenas noches.
Good evening, good night. Now, I highlighted the words so you can hear them. It's very important for repetition. And if you already speak Spanish, I also want you to pay attention to the words, how they're written, punctuation, spelling. That's very important as well. So even if you can already speak the language, it's very important to get the literacy part of reading. All right, Spanish sounds. This ties right into it because as we've been doing in our virtual learning, we've been learning our vowel sounds. And so Spanish pronunciation is easier than you think. In general, Spanish vowels, and this gives you, when you highlight this, it gives you some examples of a vowel. So the letters A, E, I, they're pronounced with air flowing freely through your mouth. Okay. Spanish vowels are always pronounced the same way. It's not like English where the letter A can be pronounced in different ways. In Spanish, the vowel sounds are pronounced the same way in every single instance. Yeah. For example, the A in adios sounds the same as the A in cama.
Cama.
Let's listen.
Cama. Cama.
Yeah. Now, the way she said, she had a lot more air in her pronunciation than the guy.
Cama.
Yeah. It's like if we think of it in English, the same as the I that you would say when you say father. Yeah, let's go on this. Let's go to the E.
Leche.
Escuchamos.
Leche.
Bien.
Niño. Niño.
So that letter I makes the E sound like in Lisa.
Como. Como.
Bien. Como. It's the same O as in gold. The last one.
Mucho gusto. Mucho gusto.
Bien. And so Spanish vowel sounds all make the same sound. So those are our tips for our greetings. And so after you go over the tips and practice, you can go ahead and start the lesson. So your goal is to do your greetings for today. And my lesson started me off at a higher level, which is full sentences, because I've already shown that I know these sentences. And so what I would like for you to do is to complete your greetings activity. All right. Adios, amigos, adios. Adios, amigos, adios. Adios, hasta luego. Chao, hasta mañana. Adios, amigos, adios. Chao, nos vemos.